Over the next 5 years, the adoption of cloud computing and microservices will continuously increase. The global cloud computing market is expected to grow at 18%, while the cloud microservices market is expected to register an annual growth of approximately 21.7%. This rapid growth of the cloud and microservice market, together with the emergence of IoT, Industry 4.0, edge computing, self-driving cars, smart homes, and smart cities, brings challenges for the availability and reliability of critical cloud infrastructures. A recent study exposed that almost 25% of small and medium-sized companies reported that their per-hour downtime cost was more than $40,000, with only 27% stating that their cost of downtime per hour was under $10,000. To guarantee availability and reliability and avoid downtime, companies must rely on advanced solutions to cope with the scale and complexity of IT systems. Logs have been one of the preferred ways to troubleshoot and repair systems. In fact, application and system logs can be effectively exploited to support many tasks ranging from debugging, IT performance monitoring, security, policy compliance, IT operations and applications troubleshooting to business analytics. Nowadays, DevOps have two time-consuming options to troubleshoot IT failures using logs: log search and log analysis. Most companies use log search. It is cheap but requires a lot of manual work. It does not scale well to complex systems and it involves a lot of guesswork. Fewer companies use log analysis. It is simple but expensive. It has a high potential to overlook errors, and it often causes human fatigue. An effective solution is to rely on what we call automated log analytics through AI and pre-trained failure models. It works in the following way. Logsight pre-trains large generic AI failure models, which can be specialized with customer systems behavior described by their logs. During operation, we receive and process live production logs from customers, and we notify customers if their logs indicate that incidents are happening. In such situations, we send customers detailed reports of incidents in real time. Logsight goes beyond the status quo and makes a radical shift from log analysis to log analytics. Existing solutions for log analysis generally involve some form of clustering and time series analysis. In contrast, Logsight relies on deep learning and failure models to build an AI-driven solution for log analytics. To demonstrate the benefits of Logsight, we benchmarked the performance of using a traditional log search approach with our AI-driven log analytics solution. The use case involved troubleshooting an IT system undergoing latent failure. The log search approach required 240 minutes to identify the root cause of the failure. It involved experienced DevOps to conduct the troubleshooting, reading and searching logs for hints, and building search filters using grep and awk to locate messages with keywords such as error and warning. In contrast, the AI-driven log analytics approach taken by Logsight only took 4 minutes. This corresponds to less than 2% of the time required by the log search approach. 49 seconds were spent uploading 250,000 log lines, 64 seconds for pre-processing, and 90 seconds for the AI-driven processing. When we compare the troubleshooting efficiency of log search and log analysis to log analytics, it is clear that the time savings materialize in a significant reduction on the number of DevOps required to operate IT systems. Not only the cost of managing IT decreases, but the mean time to repair systems is also significantly reduced. Log search is typically slow since it relies on simple tools such as grep, awk, and query languages such as Kibana query language. Log analysis is faster, but still requires to adjust the parameters of clustering techniques and time series-based algorithms, which is complex. Log analytics achieves the greater efficiency due to the use of modern deep learning algorithms and knowledge captured by pre-trained failure models. Logsight drives its innovation from 3 pillars: leading-edge AI technology, industry readiness, and long-term research. Logsight learns how DevOps write log messages from hundreds of millions of lines of code. It was deployed, tested, and continuously improved in collaboration with large IT and cloud providers. Logsight results from several years of research, more than 50 scientific publications, and 5 PhD theses. The team behind Logsight has a long-standing experience in the field of machine learning, log analytics, anomaly detection, cloud computing, AI ops, site reliability engineering, IT management, and distributed systems. Discover the power of your logs with logsight.ai.